guys, it's me Soni. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial of course, and in today's video I'm gonna do ombre cut crease with dark lips makeup tutorial. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, now if you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching till the end. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and for that I'm using Catrice Camouflage Concealer in shade Honey. I'm applying the concealer directly on my lids, and to blend the concealer I'm using small blending brush. To get the clean and sharp eyeshadow, I'm sticking a sellotape in the outer corners of my eyes. And for today's eye look I'm using Colourpop Yes Please eyeshadow palette. From that palette, I'm taking a shade called Butter Cake to highlight my brow bone. After that, I'm taking a shade called French Kiss, which is dark brown eyeshadow. I'm applying that shade on my crease with a small pencil brush. For today's look, I've started with dark shade eyeshadow, and afterwards to blend it, I will be using light shades. Now I'm taking my first transitional shade that is called Spoiled, and which is reddish brown eyeshadow. I'm placing the eyeshadow onto my crease, and with the same eyeshadow I'm blending that brown shade. To blend the first transitional shade, I'm taking second transitional shade that is called Mischief, and which is yellow eyeshadow. I'm applying that shade with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending all the harsh edges of that first transitional shade. After blending harsh edges of the eyeshadow, I'm going to cut my crease, and for that I'm using the same concealer that I have used before, that is Catrice Camouflage Concealer in shade Honey. A small tip, always use lighter concealer to cut your crease so that you get better pigmentation of shadows that you will be applying afterward. I'm applying the concealer in small strokes so that I could get clean and crisp cut crease. And to blend the outer corners of cut crease, I'm using my finger. To blend and deepen the outer corner, I'm applying the shade called French Kiss, which is dark brown eyeshadow. I'm placing the color in the outer corners of my eyes and blending it slowly. Now I'm taking my next shade that is called Spoiler in a small shadow brush, and I'm placing that color next to that brown shade and blending it. To blend the second color, I'm taking third shade which is called Mischief, and I'm placing it next to that second color and blending it. Final color that I will be applying is called Full Chip, and I am taking that shade in a small flat brush and applying in the inner corners of that cut crease. Now I'm removing the sellotape that we have applied before applying eyeshadow, and look at that clean line that we got from sticking that sellotape. And to draw the eyeliner, I'm using Lakme Insta liner. While the eyeliner is drying, let's prep our face before applying foundation. And for prepping my face, I'm using Nykaa cold press oil. It is a facial oil. I'm applying the oil all over my face and massaging it so that my face could absorb it. I'm leaving the oil to soak on my face for maybe 1 minute, and that same time I'm curling my lashes for applying mascara. And for mascara, I'm taking Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'm applying the mascara on the upper lashes of my eyes. For now, eyes is done. We will be coming back to complete it after the base is done. Okay, now let's move towards the face. For foundation, I'm taking Kraylon foundation in shade FS28. This foundation is good for only dry skin because it is a oil-based foundation, and for oily skin it doesn't perform well. I'm applying the foundation all over my face with a flat brush, and to blend the foundation I'm using silly sponge. Do you guys remember this thing called silly sponge? I don't know when I got this, but while cleaning my room I found it and I just want to try how it works. So I'm trying it right now. It blends the foundation nicely, but I think nothing can beat a good beauty blender. So I'm blending my foundation again with a Real Technique sponge. Next I'm applying Wet n Wild concealer in shade light medium base. I'm applying the concealer in under eyes, middle of my forehead, cupid's bow, chin and bridge of my nose. After applying the concealer, I'm blending it with a Real Technique sponge. To set the concealer, I am taking Rimmel Stay Matte powder and I am setting the areas wherever I have applied concealer. Okay, now let's get back to the eyes. I am lining my waterline using Elle 18 eyeliner. For lower lash line, I am following same step that I have done on my crease. First applying shade called Spoil, and to blend it I am applying second shade that is called Mischief. Now I am applying same Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara on my lower lashes. Usually I don't set my whole face with powder, but my face was looking too oily because of that foundation, or maybe I have used that facial oil before applying foundation, and for that I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Next I'm bronzing my face using my all-time favorite bronzer, that is Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm applying the bronzer under my cheekbone, forehead and jawline to give some depth and dimension to my face. For blush, I'm using Elle blush palette, and from that palette I'm mixing that two colors and I'm applying that blush on the apples of my cheeks. Then before applying highlighter, I'm applying a facial mist all over my face so that all the powders melts together. To highlight my face, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold. I'm applying the highlighter on the highest point of my face, that is cheekbone, cupid's bow, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose and chin area. For lining my lips, I'm using Essence Lip Liner in shade 29 Berry. After lining my lips, I'm applying that liner all over my lips so that I could get better pigmentation from lipstick. And for lipstick, I'm using Golden Rose Mini Liquid Lipstick in shade, I just don't remember the exact shade of the lipstick. If you want to know, please check the description box. I will list all the product details in the description box below. For false lashes, I'm using Castor eyelashes in number 37 or 38. Finally, to complete this look, I'm spraying Essence Insta Matte Setting Spray all over my face. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, stay safe, take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.